Yeah. Yeah, they're wearing the same.
Did you right? Yeah, it's like
They all wear the same. Bro, that thing.
this was my this side right here says. I'm not sure. I guess I got some shake going on. I got it minimized a little bit because I got MD alignment on it, but it's still I still got shake. I was told that when I was driving that this side of the side.
I mean, just like a couple pounds. Where are you using? Yeah. You talking to someone on the phone about a water pump?
Yeah.
You right here, what you tell him? I just ain't want to tell him nothing wrong.
But there's queue ahead of him.
Alright, so just check him in?
Yeah.
That's why it's a rough, like.
That's what it is. The 75 and the 80, that's, I don't know if it's inches, it definitely is, but it's how much it comes from right here.
And this whole set, this is Centramatics, man. This is my first real truck.
Alright, this your shit?
Yeah, this my first. I mean, I
motherfucking
had
nice
this truck
truck.
before, but this is my first truck. So, you know, I'm making sure it ain't
Trying to keep that bitch right. That motherfucker straight too.
I had spent $551 and so.
This shit can get expensive, that's for sure.
Man, that shit hurt, but I feel proud as hell having that car. I like, nigga, I got it.
I'm coming around that
I
side.
got it. I came back. Oh, shit.
How long you been driving for?
I hate you. 17.
How old are you?
32.
I just turned 30. Nick, getting old, man.
Knees, bruh.
Man,
Knees, boy. I hopped out the trailer one day. I feel like, oh, you know what I'm saying? I said, I did this. I said,
motherfucker, you feeling one of them?
I'm gonna need a little grease. I'm gonna need some grease in these joints right now. We got them Centramatics installed. Right here. Yeah, Centramatics installed, baby. I had to put a little grease on my fifth wheel because it was looking a little thirsty in some of the spots, but other than that, we are good to go. I hope I don't have any more of that that shaky shakes, but we about to figure that out in a hot second because it's time to go ahead and get this load delivered. Shouldn't take too long to get up to speed. We're heavy and we're going downhill. Usually my shakes start between 65 on all the way up to 75. I feel something, but I'm not too sure if that's just the road. We're at 65, 67. 68. Let's take her up to 70. Yep, I still got those shakes.